Today we are going to talk about the UK 50 pence 1997 coin value and its upcoming auction at Heritage Auctions.
How much money do you really have in your pocket? A $204,000 penny found by a teenager. A $10,000 coin found in a Cheerios box. And an $18,000 penny found by one of our viewers.
The UK 50 pence 1997 coin is a popular coin amongst collectors due to its unique design and rarity. The coin was issued to commemorate the 50th anniversary of the founding of the National Health Service (NHS) in the UK. The design features a stylized logo of the NHS with the words 50 pence in the year 1997 inscribed on the coin. The value of this coin varies depending on its condition, rarity, and historical significance. As of today, the coin is estimated to be worth around £2,000, £3,000, $2,775, $4,162 USD in mint condition. However, this particular coin we're talking about has an even higher estimated value of £4,000, £6,000, $5,551, $8,322 USD due to its exceptional condition and rarity. The UK 50 pence 1997 coin is scheduled to be auctioned off at the upcoming Heritage Auctions event, which will take place on the 1st of April. The coin is expected to attract a lot of attention from collectors and investors alike due to its rarity and potential investment value. So, there you have it, the UK 50 pence 1997 coin value and its upcoming auction at Heritage Auctions. If you are a coin collector or investor, this could be an excellent opportunity to add a rare and valuable coin to your collection. We hope you found this information useful.